Hello there, just another little example of the top of this tree which is starting to die. The paler colours here have spread to this part here. These two little branches appear healthy, and lower down we have this branch which at the end appears healthy with that colour. But we have a problem here on this branch, and it's going back to there. This one looks okay, and this one at the back. Now I think this is some sort of disease, so it's best to remove this branch to just past there, about 1/2 centimetre, and we'll leave these healthy ones on. And up top here we have dead, that's starting to discolour and die off, and this is discolour right way down to here, so 1/2 centimetre, and these are healthy, so hopefully the spread will stop. There's a tiny little bit of dye back on that tip there, so hopefully these two sections will not spread any further on this tree. That's all we can do, and give it time and see how it gets on. Bye for now.